whoever made the pre-pack banana, 10 out of 10, big up yourself. And I will have one of those. They have the pumpkin as well for 273. Okay, so who gonna have more food this week? Me. And I'm gonna put it. Whoa, why Irish potato are so expensive though? Nice savior. We can't put Irish potato. $535. Alright. Irish potato never so expensive at market. I mean, just come back from market. Alright, we tell about banana and pumpkin. We can't put Irish potato. What? And I have sugar cane. But sugar cane. Not how much for the sugar cane. I'm gonna for this at 305. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna eat some sugar cane. But I can't manage sugar cane right now still. But yeah, love that. Love that. I love that.